that will be a rear brake. It's just
Hello and namaste. Welcome to the new episode of Nepali Riders in California. This is me Chandra. First of all, I want to thanks to our 4,000 subscribers for supporting us and giving us love throughout this YouTube journey. Also, if you are new to our channel, please feel free to subscribe it and turn on the notification button so that YouTube algorithm will notify you whenever we upload our new content. First thing first, last week I attended a sales meeting for Stark manufacturer, which is producing fastest and lightweight electric motocross series motorcycle. And the motorcycle I'm going to talk about today will blow your mind because it has got 80 horsepower along with 938 Newton meter of torque, which has been developed with clear purpose to show that electric technology is superior to gasoline by outperforming all traditional motocross models available. And this video is brought to you by East Bay Motorsports. East Bay Motorsports is one of the largest volume dealership for power sport business. And if you want to get jet ski, side-by-side, UTVs, ATVs, parts and accessories, and if you want to do servicing for your power sport, then must visit this East Bay Motorsports, which is in Hayward, California. Let me talk about electric motorcycle, which is known as StarkVarg, the most advanced electric motorcycle in the world, as per the manufacturer definition. With 30% more power than a traditional 450 combustion bike, the StarkVarg outperforms all other bikes on the market. And it has got tons of features. Last week, as I mentioned to you, last week I attended that sales training for StarkVarg, and when I see through my naked eyes, I love that the design of this motorcycle, because it has got tons of features which I can mention you here. With the lightest motocross frame on the market, I think it's a 6 kilogram of motocross frame, the lowest center of gravity, and an optimized weight distribution. The StarkVarg provides agility and a featherweight riding sensation. Also, the StarkVarg delivers an incredible 938 Newton meter of torque on the rear wheel, and the carbon fiber sleeve motor spins at up to 14,200 RPM. Wow, that's crazy. Also, the StarkVarg is equipped with an Android start phone that allows you to customize the bike, adjusting the power curve, engine braking, flywheel effect, and traction control to make the perfect bike for every rider and track. The 6 kilowatt of the StarkVarg allows you to ride for up to 6 hours of easy trail riding or completing a full motocross GP. Heat and recharging takes between 1 or 2 hours depending on the outlet and charger. So the battery is also really reliable to do a motocross racing. The StarkVarg's near silent motor allows you to ride anywhere, anytime, letting you ride in places you will probably never imagine possible. With zero emission and no filters to change, the StarkVarg requires very simple level of maintenance. Is as easy to take care of as bicycle. So that is what I learned from the sales meeting, which I attended last week at PCB Motorsports from East Bay Motorsports. The bike looks really nice. Also, the battery. The thing is, it has got the battery pack attached in with the frame, so you cannot swap the battery. That's the bad part of it. But the good thing I like about is you can trim the motorcycle with your fingertip, and you can customize everything from that handlebar, from 1 horsepower to 80 horsepower, from different suspension level to up to 7 different level of suspensions, which is really crazy, that I think gonna take a market on. So thank you guys for watching us. Also, let us know what kind of video you guys want to watch from Nepali riders in California. We've been trying our best to show you the video of our journey. Let us know. We'll be happy to share those knowledge with you. And keep supporting us, keep loving us. We'll be looking forward for your love and support. Thank you. You have a nice day. Namaste.